Good morning. Today on this old piece of good morning. Today on Customer States What? We have a 2011 Honda Accord with a transmission leak. Looks like we got a fluid leak coming out of there. So we're replacing the filter and a couple of lines and topping off the fluid. But in the meantime, we're going to look around a little bit. The car has about roughly 140,000 miles on it. We got a newish interstate battery. Detail department's been through it. As we could see, the Soul Glow all over the engine bay. If there was a bigger engine cover, it would be shining in my face right now. We're also going to do an oil change. Take that up, take the oil cap off. Top off the washer fluid, the usual, yada yada yada. You guys know what comes next. Let's take it up top. So now that we have taken it up top, we're going to look around a little bit. We can clearly see something's leaking on the driver's side. And the further we look up, we can see that the transmission filter right there is leaking. It kind of looks like a fuel filter, but it is in fact a neutral juice shifting fluid filter. So let's go a little further back. We can see the vehicle is bottomed out a couple times, and we could also see we have a zip side modification holding it up. Self-lubricating chassis system is working very good here, but transmission fluid is a type of degreaser. Let's go a little further. We are draining the oil. We do have the oil filter off. That's part of the service. Oh, this side's nice and dry. Timing cover looked a little weepy, a little sweaty right there. Let's go a little further back. Oh, we didn't have to go far to see hardware. Well, to not see hardware. Let's go a little further back. Yeah, there we go. Whoa, flanging is about to not flange anymore. Hardware no longer identifies as hardware. So let's go a little further back. Let's see what else we can find on this. Oh, looks like they got brand new tires in the rear. But when we go to the front, it tells a little different story. Damn near onto the wear bar. How's this side? Yep, damn near onto the wear bar. That's about 3 to 4 30 seconds. The wear bar is 2 30 seconds. These, damn near 10 30 seconds. There's not that much flavor, but... And look at the size of this sway bar. It's so cute. And then we found the flavor. Okay. Okay, not bad. Brakes are healthy. Alright, cool. Flange is not flanging. Self-lubricating chassis system is a pissin', but we're gonna correct it. So let's get into it. Alright guys, here we have the brand new parts. We have a brand new line here, a brand new line here, and the inline filter right there. We have brand new clamps there and there. We have 2 brand new clamps for here and for there. Now let's get into the vehicle. So now that we have this fuse block out of the area to gain access, we did in fact take one of the lines off the cooler, and we did install this tit right here to stop any transmission fluid from flowing out. Now, we did take the other clamp off of the line right there, and what we're going to try and do is, because this is still full of fluid, and we do not want to drain the transmission fluid out of there, so what we're going to try and do is, we're going to try and do this quick. Am I going to make a mess? Yeah, probably, but you know what? There already is a mess, so when in Rome. Alright, let's see if I can get this. Hose clamp is on there before I release it. Alright, gotta do this quick. Alright, minimal fluid loss. Very good. Very good. Alright, now that we have the line down there, we're going to install the clip up top. And take our plug off. If we can get it off. Come on, there we go. And get this on for minimal fluid loss. Very good. Very good, guys. We installed our fuse panel back into its original mounting position. Our filter is now mounted up to the bracket. All hose clamps have been released and now are secured. Now we're going to take it back up top, and we're probably going to remove some of that skid plate and clean the area. Very good. Well, we cleaned what we could. I did leave some fluid film here, but not as much as we would all like to, because, well, customers, they would prefer it be clean than have oil everywhere and whatnot. But we all know that oil did actually protect the subframe. So I left some in the ugly spots, but I did brake clean this whole area here. There's nothing I could really do about the mounting positions and the mounting of the skid shield, but I will leave that zip tie right there, unfortunately. New filter, new crush washer, oil change has been performed. You just have to put oil in it, and yeah, start the car and give her a road test. And very good. Hey guys, alright, I wanted to show you what exactly failed on this here transmission filter. Now, this whole thing is supposed to be nice and smooth like that, you see? But then, the further we go, we got a lumpy bumpy. And we got some more lumps over here, but that's corrosion that got underneath the paint. And eventually, it went all the way through into the filter, and it started pissing out fluid. I believe it failed right here, and it did fail, or it was about to fail right in here. And now we ran the vehicle already. It's not leaking, which is very good. And now we're going to go on our maiden voyage, and hopefully the transmission shifts after we already topped off the fluid. We only had about maybe a cup full of spillage after we took this off, so what we did, we gave it about a half a quart. A little extra because we don't know how long it's been leaking for, and there is a procedure, or there probably is a whole fluid procedure, but unfortunately customer didn't pay for that. They just wanted this right here, and that's it. So say no more, fam, we got you. But we're gonna go on a road test and make sure it at least drives properly. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.